got the Scamp behind us. We're off to Laurel Hill State Park. We're staying there for 2 nights. This is our second official camping trip with the Scamp, and I will try and give a tour of the park and experience that we have this weekend. Stay tuned. If that towed the Scamp. This trip, I got a dog bed and a rug for the dogs to be more comfortable this time around. Last time they were laying on hard ground. Found our extension cord. I bought this is one of the necessities you need. We're finding out how far away the electrical receptacle is. Is that what it's called?
Oh, you need water.
As you can see with our Scamp cord all the way out, plus the extension cord, it just barely made it. Joey's eating out of her pop-up bowl. I didn't even get to take the tags off.
Yes, he's so happy after he's done eating.
This time I packed the eggs on top of this stuff to see if they stay put, seeing if we have any cracked eggs. They all look like they survived this road trip, because eggs are expensive now. Bought this at Dollar General for $1, and I filled it up with mustard from home instead of bringing the entire thing. Keto bread. You're using keto bread too?
Scratch that. I mean, I could, but...
If you want, I don't care. How many pieces? 2 or 3? We need cheese though. It needs 2 pieces.
Touch a
Single piece of cheese. It's my strong hand.
Plenty of mustard, thank you.
Alright.
Delicious.
Some fruit salad here. And her pasta salad. So we're gonna eat that up. Ooh, that was an ice cube. Oh, you want a chewy Jolie? Riley does. He's so tired. Oh, girl. Stay there. Come on, stay. Riley, stay there. You want to? Yeah. Got the fire lit. So we might watch a scary movie. How much is that doggy in the window? I'm priceless!
Campfire hot dogs.
I like mine extra dark. Nothing's better than fire-cooked hot dogs. My $5 lights in action. We are showing everyone up.
Lay down.
So, we're gonna try out this air mattress that we got at Costco. It's a little camping mattress to put on this little tiny bed here, and I'm gonna see if it's comfortable. I'll let you guys know in the morning.
Like hers?
Yes. Pop.
Maybe put a blanket over it.
Yeah, I'm going to.
Yeah, really.
So we have the cushion underneath, this air cushion, and I put a sleeping bag over top. We're gonna see how comfortable it is and if it pops tonight. On this site, we didn't have any water hookups. We just had electricity, so we did all of our water activities like brushing our teeth, showering, and using the restroom across the street from our camper. Hit the bathroom. It was literally like 15 feet away. It wasn't too bad. I think I might do this more often, as sometimes dumping your tanks can be annoying, but I definitely still like having a bathroom in my camper and having the option. For those of you that hate on Starbucks, this veranda blend is so good. I've tried other light roasts, and this one is still my favorite. Hi. After we were done getting ready, we decided to take Jolie with us for a walk. And it was our agenda to stop at the gift shop, but we found out it was closed on Mondays and Tuesdays, the days we were there. So we checked out the statue and some of the wildflowers around the area and took the Copper Kettle Trail. And that leads right to the beach. It's pet friendly, and it was a very nice, easy walk.
I put airplane mode on. I'm not getting any service out here.
We checked out the dam, and then after that, we decided to walk along the beach area where there were tons of wildflowers and butterflies everywhere. It was a little cloudy that day, or else we would have swam in the water for sure. It's a very nice beach. And there's also a place to rent bikes and boats at the end of it. We walked Jolie back, and then we got our scooters ready so we could check out the trails that way. See if we could anyways. Entrance to the campground here. We just got back from the lake area just to give it a look at.
And we're scooting today.
We're gonna try and scoot to the Hemlock Trail if we don't die. We'll get there maybe. How big these trees are. You like that pine tree, Jamie?
Yep, I like me some pine trees. They remind me of Christmas.
Drive down here to take a quick walk tomorrow morning, maybe. Unfortunately, the trails were not scooter friendly, so we had to basically just turn around, but I did take a little look at it. It's a beautiful trail. I can't wait to go back in the car some other time and walk it.
It's sitting there on top.
Oh, Jesus. On our scooter ride home, we actually found this almost abandoned looking Boy Scout campground that we went to and used the bathroom. There was actually open facilities there. It was weird, and they were brand new and nice. What's that building? You want to walk up to the window and look in real quick? Hey! The snake didn't make it.
Hello! Hello!
Help! Is that the stage? Live and in concert, Jamie.
Did you make a little home up there?
We spy on a little baby bird. Holy shit! Another animal scaring the crap out of me. Oh my god. We were just taking our scooters around Laurel Hill State Park Campground, and it is massive. And we also noticed that the non-pet section is a lot nicer and tree covered and calm, where the pet section is no tree coverage really, and just barking dogs, including our own. Jolie! Jolie!
Little girl. Yes, a pretty little girl.
Oh, you're so pretty. Oh, so pretty boy. You coming out? Yeah, you're so good boy. Quiet at the campground. There's a family over there that's kind of hustle bustle. Kids screaming and yelling, and they're all out to dinner right now. Yep. Got a little mountain goat. Billy goat. Stay. Come. Come. Oh, you're so smart. All right. Bacon. But I'm cutting this up so it cooks better, more evenly. Wielding a knife around like a crazy person. See how it all kind of separated?
Getting close to that precious, perfect bacon done deal.
We reserved a little bit of oil to cook the mushrooms and onions. It'll cook. Top the burgers with mushrooms, cheese. Mmm. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
It's just like a Wendy's Baconator. Cheese, caramelized onions, mushrooms. I think this is what their Baconator is, right? My little girl and boy. Now we got the lights. We're gonna plug them in. We need an extension cord note to sew. We're gonna use white duct tape to try and keep these up for a few hours. We don't have enough lighting to go around the awning, so we're just gonna go across the scamp now because we.
Why did you get something you can't stand it?
That's what everyone's asking. Why I'd buy something that I can't stand in? This is why. This is why. Literally. Lighting up the woods. Thank you for the kindle wood.
You're not gonna get off my bed.
Next morning.
That's up there. Took down our little lights, and now I'm folding up my little mattress bed, which was surprisingly not that bad. All things considered, I slept pretty well in this little tiny bed. That little bed fits in this little bag. Jolie, baby girl, come here, baby girl. Got the awning shut. I'm gonna let you out. When you come in the park, right to your right is the ice and firewood. It's an honor system. You just leave money. There's the contact station right there, and here's your dump stations, and that dog won't shut up. She whines a lot. Thank you so much for watching this far. If you have watched this far, I think you might like my content a little bit, so why don't you hit that subscribe button and maybe hit that bell notification. It'll let you know when I post another video relating to Scamp and RVing. Again, I appreciate all the viewership, and it seems like I'm getting more followers, so I think I'm going to continue doing this. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks, guys. Oh, Jesus.
Did you have video going?
Yes, but I jumped.
Did you make a little home up there?
We spy on a little baby bird. Oh!